apple mint juice recipe detox drink. We'll need apples, mint, cold water, and InstaCuppa Thermos Bottle. Take off the infusion rod from the bottle. For faster infusion, cut the apples into thin slices. Put the mint leaves and apples in the bottle. Add cold water. This time, we will only use the strainer as filter. Lock the strainer in the bottle. Put the cover lid back. Infuse for 2 hours or more. Enjoy your apple mint juice recipe detox drink. InstaCuppa Thermos Fruit Infuser water bottle will keep your drinks cold for up to 24 hours.